Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're hearing a clunking, rattling, or popping sound every time you drive over a bump, you're not alone. It's a super common issue, but it can be a real headache to diagnose. Is it your suspension? Or maybe a bad control arm? Today, we're going to break down the likely culprits. Usually, that clunking noise points to worn-out suspension parts. Think bad ball joints, worn-out sway bar links, or failing shocks or struts. These components take a beating over time and lose their ability to absorb impact smoothly. Another major suspect is the control arm bushing. When these rubber bushings wear out, they allow for too much movement, causing that distinct metal-on-metal clunk. We'll show you how to inspect these parts safely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car care tips. Drive safe.